Hello student, welcome again. In our last session, you had seen similarity test and theorem of areas of similar triangles. In this session, we are going to solve some exercise example 1.3 and 1.4. Then let's start. Examples are given in the slide. First example. In the given figure, segment AC and BD intersect to each other at point P and AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP, then prove that then prove that triangle ABP similar triangle CDP. Triangle ABP similar triangle CDP. Listen carefully. First example. In this figure, segment AC and BD intersect at point P. Segment AC, this segment and this BD intersect at point P. And you already given ratio of AP upon CP, means AP upon CP. This ratio is equal to BP upon PD, this ratio. So from this given diagram, you have to prove triangle ABP, this triangle, and triangle CDP, this second triangle, both triangles are similar using the similarity test. Solution in triangle ABP and in triangle CDP. Now we are going to see both triangle ABP and CDP. Already in example, in question, the ratio of both segment is given. AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. So I write here AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Give the reason given. Then angle APB, this angle, and angle CPD, this angle. This P angle and this P angle, both angles APB and CPD, both angles are congruent. Both angles are congruent. On which reason? Both angles are opposite angles. Both angles are opposite angle. So I write here angle APB congruent, angle CPD. Reason is opposite angles. In this solution, we show the ratio of two congruent sides equal and one angle, that is opposite angle, also congruent. Then both triangle ABP and triangle CDP will become similar. So I write here triangle ABP similar triangle CPD. On which test? SA is test, side angle side. In this diagram we show a ratio of both sides segment, which is already given in example, is equal, and one angle which is opposite angle we show equal. So side angle side, from this test both triangle ABP and triangle CPD become similar. Now second example. In the given figure, triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, point D lies on side BC such that angle BAC equal to angle ADC. So we have to prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. CA square is equal to CB into CD. Listen carefully. Our given example is in triangle ABC. You can see here D point, which lies in this way, that angle BAC, this angle is equal to angle ADC. Angle ADC means this A angle in triangle ABC and this D angle in triangle ADC, both are equal, which is given in our example. From this information, you have to prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. CB into CD. Now solution. I am taking both triangle in triangle CDA and triangle CAB. This bigger triangle CAB and this small triangle CDA. In triangle CDA and triangle CAB. Angle ADC congruent angle BAC, which is given. Give the reason given. We show angle ADC equal to angle BAC from given. Then you can see in CDA angle C and in CAB angle C. In both triangle, C is a common angle. C is a common angle. So in both triangles, C is having same angle. So you can write angle C, congruent angle C, common angles. Give the reason common angles. We show two angles in our diagram congruent. Then triangle CDA similar triangle CAB by angle test. Test of similarity, angle test. CDA similar to CAB. You can write here angle test of similarity. Angle test of similarity. Therefore, taking a ratio of corresponding side, CA upon CB. I am taking CA this side and CB this side. CA upon CB. Then next ratio, CD upon CA. CD upon CA. CA upon CB is equal to CD upon CA. Ratio of corresponding side of similar triangle. Give the reason ratio of corresponding side of similar triangle. After cross multiplication, you get CA square is equal to CB into CD. CA square is equal to CB into CD. So, using the angle test, we solve our second example. Our third example. The ratio of corresponding side of similar triangles. The ratio of corresponding side of similar triangles is 3:5. 3:5. Then find the ratio of their areas. Find the ratio of their areas. In example, there are two triangles, both are similar. So I assume let triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Triangle ABC, triangle PQR. Actually, in the example, there is no given the name of an triangle. So we take first triangle as a triangle ABC and second triangle as a PQR. Both are similar triangle, which is given in our question. ABC similar PQR. So, if both triangles are similar, in last session we saw the theorem of area of similar triangles. If both triangles are similar, then directly you use this property we saw in our last session. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. The ratio of both similar triangles is equal to the ratio of their corresponding square of their corresponding sides. Ratio of their corresponding sides square. So I write here area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Substitute the ratio of PAB to PQ is equal to 3 square upon 5 square. After getting 3 square, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 9 upon 25. 9 upon 25. So we get the ratio of triangle ABC and triangle PQR is 9:25. 9:25. So, using the property of area of two similar triangles, we solve our third example. Our fourth example, you can see in triangle ABC and triangle PQR is given. Triangle ABC and PQR, both triangle is similar. Triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR, and ratio of their corresponding side is given. AB is to PQ is equal to 2:3. The ratio of both sides is 2/3. Then fill in the blanks. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, again both triangles are similar, then you can write here directly the ratio of both triangles, area of ratio of both triangles is equal to ratio of their corresponding sides square. So I write here AB square upon, question is fill in the blank, so there is a empty bracket, you have to put here AB's corresponding side PQ, so AB square upon PQ square is equal to, putting the ratio of both 2 square upon 3, 2 square upon 3. Therefore, area of a triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, again here both empty bracket is given, you have to fill this, 2 square is equal to 4 and 3 square is 9. So, from the given corresponding sides ratio, we find out the ratio of both similar triangles. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 4/9. Our last example, fifth example. Fifth example. Again, complete the activity. In last session, I told you about the question paper pattern. In our second question, there is an activity based question, and third question, A part, is also activity based question. So you have to complete your activity. In triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. Triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR is given. Area of triangle ABC is 80. Area of triangle PQR is also given 125. Our solution. Triangle ABC and PQR is similar. So write here area of triangle ABC similar area of triangle PQR. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. AB square upon, right here, AB square upon PQ square. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. In the question, ABC and PQR ratio is given. Area of ABC and PQR is given 80 upon 125. In this activity, in some steps, there will be bracket. Suppose AB square upon bracket, you have to fill here PQ square. 80 upon bracket, you have to fill here 125. So 80 upon 125 is equal to AB square upon PQ square. AB square upon PQ square. So I factorize 80 as a 16 into 5 and 125 as a 25 into 5. 25 5 is a 125. 16 5 is a 80. 5 get cancelled. Therefore, AB square upon PQ square is equal to 16 upon 25. 16 upon 25. After taking a square root on both sides, therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to 4 upon 5. Square root of 16 is 4 and square root of 25 is 5. Therefore, AB upon PQ is equal to 4 upon 5. So, in last example, we find the ratio of AB and PQ is 4:5. 4:5. Thank you.